Hi, I am Tilagarani. I am working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Technology in IT department. And now I am going to discuss about object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming is nothing but a paradigm for organized and structuring code. Abstraction, hiding complex details and providing simplified interfaces. Reduce complexity, focus on essential aspects of data and operations. Improved maintainability, changes are easier to manage within encapsulated modules. Increased reusability, code can be reused in different parts of the program. Encapsulation, binding data and methods together to protect data integrity. Data hiding, protecting data from unauthorized access. Controlled access. Methods provide controlled access to data. Modularization. Encapsulation creates independent units of code. Inheritance. Creating new classes that inherit properties from existing classes. Parent class. Defines common attributes and behaviors. Child class. Inherits properties and behaviors from the parent. Code reuse. Reduces code duplication and promote code reuse. Polymorphism, the ability of an object to take on multiple forms. Method overriding, child classes can redefine methods inherited from parent classes. Dynamic dispatch, the correct method is determined at runtime. Flexibility allows methods objects to be treated differently based on their type. Classes, blueprints for creating objects, attributes, data that define the state of an object, methods, functions that define the object's behavior, constructors, special methods for initializing objects, instance of classes, attributes, methods, value assigned to the object attribute is nothing but functions that can hold called on the object. State the current values of the object's attributes. Advantages, benefits of object-oriented programming, modularity, maintainability, reusability, and scalability. Modularity is nothing but code is divided into smaller reusable units. Maintainability, easier to understand and modify code. Reusability is nothing but code can be reused across different projects. Scalability is nothing but programs can be easily scaled to handle the more complex tasks. Disadvantages of object-oriented programming. Some drawbacks are there. Complexity. Object-oriented programming can be more complex than procedural programming. Performance overhead. OOPs can be introduced overhead in terms, memory and processing. Examples, real-world applications of object-oriented programming, software development, web development and game development. Software development, object-oriented programming languages like Java, Python and C#. Web development frameworks like React and Angular are based on object-oriented programming principles. Game development, object-oriented programming is used to create, interact and complex game worlds. These are the object-oriented programming concepts. We discussed here about inheritance, encapsulation, abstraction, polymorphism. These are the basic characteristics of the object-oriented programming languages. Inheritance is already discussed here. Inheritance again inheritance means parent class, child class and code reuse. Parent class is nothing but the base class and child class is nothing but the derived class. Code reuse means we can reduce the code duplication and promote code reuse. Polymorphism is nothing but for example shape. Shapes can contain circle, rectangle, square, like that the shapes are there. Based on polymorphism is derived from something. Next, classes. Classes can contain attributes, methods, and constructors. Constructor means function name and class name must be same. Object is like a variable. Thank you.